Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'm cooking one of Uganda's traditional dishes, chicken Luwombo for my family. This is a special meal in many Ugandan homes, mostly in central region, Baganda, because I'm also Uganda. So come with me as I prepare it from scratch with my 3-year-old son, Ellie. His name is Ellie. You'll be seeing him in this video. He loves cooking so much. And I like his company. I can't wait for you guys to see him. For the second part of our meal, I decided to make some delicious pilau rice, as you're going to see here. Pilau is one of my favorite dishes because of its aroma and the spices. I started by preparing my spices and letting them cook together so that they can release that beautiful aroma. Once everything was done, I decided to mix in the rice so that it can absorb those delicious flavors, as you're going to see in this vlog. Next 3 years. But I like him so much. Our chicken is ready to be slaughtered, to be eaten. I served the pilau together with the matoke and the chicken Luwombo. And then that was our family meal for today. Thank you so much, friends, for watching my video or our video. See you in our next vlog. Saijen! Don't forget to watch until the end, guys. We love you. We love you, our new YouTube family. Yeah. spending a morning with me. See you in my next vlog. Zaijian. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.